In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do full HubSpot migration. We'll walk through moving your CRM data into HubSpot using HubSpot's guided transfer, with Zoho CRM as the example source. Even if your source system is different, the flow is very similar. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and landing on the home dashboard. From there, open the CRM and go to Contacts. This path is just a starting point, and the same migration approach applies if you're planning to bring over companies, leads, deals, and other objects. In the Contacts area, choose Add Contacts, then select Import. Instead of uploading a file, choose the option to transfer data. This takes you to HubSpot's Data Migration Hub, where you can connect to a source app and let HubSpot handle mapping and syncing. Click Choose an app and select your source CRM. In this example, pick Zoho CRM, then install the integration. When prompted, connect to Zoho CRM. You'll see a permission screen from the source system. Check the box to allow HubSpot secure access to read the data needed for migration, then click Accept. This authorization lets HubSpot pull records and properties so it can map them into your HubSpot portal. Back in HubSpot, click Continue Transfer. You'll be asked to choose what you want to bring over. Select the data types you need, such as contacts or other supported objects, and proceed to transfer. Next, select Transfer My Data. This launches a guided migration that analyzes your source, pulls available fields, and prepares object mappings into HubSpot. Then choose Configure Your Data. Here, HubSpot aligns fields between systems and suggests mappings. You can review how properties will land in HubSpot, including data types and relationships. Configuration can take a bit, so keep this page open until it completes to avoid interruptions. When configuration is ready, click Next. Review the summarized settings and any mapping highlights. Click Next again to finalize your review, and take a moment to double-check key properties like names, emails, lifecycle stages, owners, and any custom fields that are important to your reporting or automation. When everything looks correct, click Transfer to start the migration. HubSpot will begin moving data and display progress indicators. You can monitor the status, and once it finishes, review the results to confirm counts and spot any warnings. If you see issues, adjust mappings and rerun as needed to ensure clean, consistent records inside HubSpot. That's the full process for a smooth HubSpot migration using the built-in transfer tool. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.